Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to add game audio. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I would really appreciate it. And the next thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is head over into the OBS instance that you want to do this in. Go ahead and press plus on your sources and add an audio input capture or application audio capture actually. And then now, sorry, I apologize. So it's application audio capture, and it'll say beta next to it. At least right now it does. Hopefully it comes out for full in the future, but it's said beta for like 2 years now. Who knows? And then on the right, click, just press properties, and then on the window section, find the window that you want to get the sole audio for. For me, it's RimWorld, and then now any sound that I get from RimWorld will go straight to my OBS, and it'll collect nothing else, assuming that I have nothing else adding to the audio. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to leave them down below. But other than that, it's been not a RimWorld tutorial. It's been an OBS tutorial on how to capture only your game audio. Thank you guys so much for watching.